Hello everyone, welcome back to our HSK Standard Course 2 Chinese class. Today we are going to learn chapter number 1. 九月去Beijing, lǐyóu, juéde. September is the best time to visit Beijing. In today's lesson, we will learn how to talk about traveling, how to express opinions, how to describe weather, how to talk about sports and hobbies, how to describe animals and objects, how to use zui, this one word meaning most or best. So let's begin step by step. First of all, we have a little warm up activity. Lüyóu, its mean travel. The answer is D. Yundong, its mean exercise. So the answer is E. Yansing, its mean I. So the answer is C. Zuqiu, its mean football. The answer is B. And easy, its mean chair. And the answer is F. At last we have Mao, its mean cat. And the answer is A. So let's go over first text. We have this one picture. We need to look at it. Look at the picture and talk about the best time to visit Beijing. That time is 九月, it means September is the best time to visit the Beijing. In our first text, the 一课在学校 means in the school. 我要去 Beijing 旅游，你觉得什么时候去 Beijing 最好？ I am thinking to trip to Beijing. When do you think the best time to visit Beijing? 九月去 Beijing 旅游最好。September is the best time to visit Beijing. 为什么 Why 九月的 Beijing 天气不冷也不热 because it's time neither not cold or not hot in September. So we have 5 new words in the first text. First of all, Liu, it's meant to travel. Second one, juéde, mean to think or to feel most. Zui, most or great. 为什么 why, 也 also or to. Now going forward over second text, 第二课你喜欢什么运动 What sport do you like? 我最喜欢踢足球 I like playing football. 下午我们一起去踢足球吧 Let's go to play football this afternoon. 好啊 Great! In this text, we have the name of this text. Looking at the picture. 看照片看照片 and we have 3 new words in this activity. 运动 sports. 足球 to play football and 一起 mean together. Now going forward over third text. 第三课 at home 在家里在家里我们要不要每几个人新的椅子 Don't you think we should buy some new chairs? 新的 mean new 新的 new 好啊什么时候去买 Yes, when shall we go to buy them? 明天下午怎么样 What about tomorrow afternoon? 你明天你几点能回来 When will you come back tomorrow? 三点多 I will come after 3 o'clock or maybe later. And we have 2 new words in the third text. First one is yao, to what? And the second one is sin, it's mean new. Now we have our last text, text number 4. 第四课 at home 在家里 it's same like text 3. 柱子下面有个猫 There is a cat under the table. 你是我的猫 It's my cat. 大家花花 Her name is 花花她很漂亮 It's beautiful. 是啊 Yes，我觉得他的眼睛最漂亮。Yes, I think it has the most beautiful eyes. 它多大了? How old is it? 6个多月 more than 6 months. So we have 3 new words in this text, and the one new words is like a name, proper noun. The first one is tha, prawn means it, yanqing eye, and the last one, third one is proper noun. This is the name, hua hua, name of the cat. So today we learned how to talk about traveling, how to express opinions, how to use sui, how to talk about sports, how to describe weather, and how to describe animal and objects. That's all for today's lesson. If you enjoyed this class, please like, share, and subscribe. Keep practicing Chinese every day. 我们下次见. See you in the next class. 再见, bye bye.